Let's look at recording the letter T in Morse code rhythms. So in Morse code, the letter T is da, or just one long sound. It is often used in the English language, and so it is one of the shorter with just one sound, with one long sound. In order to do that in rhythms, we will have one quarter note. So I'm going to bring up one quarter note, and that is the letter T, da.